What's up, guys? Thanks for visiting my channel. Wanted to share with you this cool little trick to restore your performances. For the longest time, I was wondering how I could get some of my performances back when I actually would clear out and wipe out my hard drive and reset it from the beginning. And before I move on, I wanted to let you know that I am using a very old version of Logic Pro, and this is actually Logic Pro 9. And I wanted to also let you know that I am actually on Sierra, Mac OS Sierra. I'm not on High Sierra, which I actually used before, and I really didn't like it, so I went back to Sierra. The year is 2020, and so I just want to let you know that this is a very current video as of this year, but this is a very old operating system and old logic that I'm using here, just because I'm pretty sure Logic 10 and above is pretty great, but obviously I don't have the resources to upgrade. So anyway, the reason for this video is to show you how to regain the performances that you've lost, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me pull it to the screen here. If you know how to save your performances, basically it's like if you've built in a channel like this here and you like the sound, like just as an example. I don't really like the sound, but this is just an example. You want to save this in your performances, okay? So all you have to do is just save its performance, and I already saved this, but I'll show you where to go. It's in here, and it's number 13, it's Octave Proton, okay? Well, what if you lose all these performances? How do you get them back? Or after you wipe your computer clean and you want to get these all back here. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to open a Finder window, okay, a brand new Finder window. I'm going to go to the top menu here and click on the Go drop down, okay. I'm going to hit the Alt button on my keyboard, and as you'll see a library button come up here. If you let go, it'll disappear, but if you hit Alt, it'll reappear. Click on that, okay, and it's going to go ahead and send you here to the library. Go into Application Support, find your Logic folder, and then find Channel Strip Settings. Then click on Instruments, and then Performance. This is where all of your current performances are stored, okay? Now, the reason why I'm going to show you this is I want to get back to 2019 and restore all of them, but before I do, I'm going to go ahead and click on these and actually move these to a folder that I've saved on my desktop. Let me actually bring it into view here, called Save Performances for Logic, because I want to come back and bring these in to 2020 when I'm coming back from the past and going back to the future. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, this is how we do this, and keep in mind you have to have Time Machine, okay? And Time Machine is up here in 2020. I'm recording this. It looks like this little icon right at the top right. Click on that, and I'm sorry it's off screen here, but it says Enter Time Machine. That's what I'm going to go and do now. While staying on this performance folder, click on Time Machine, enter Time Machine. I'm going to enter in Time Machine. Okay guys, I'm in Time Machine right now, and what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and go to the right corner here, or the right menu, and I'm going to switch over to May 2019, and I'm going to select all these from the menu. Click and hold down the Shift key to select them all, hit Restore, and it's going to restore all of these files here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click Keep Both, because I already brought in Flying Hawk people, but I don't, just for safety, I'm keeping the original. So what I did was I restored everything. As you can see, I selected everything here because I wanted this back from 2019, in which I did, which I found. I wanted all these back from 2019. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly the reason why I saved it to my desktop folder, because I wanted to actually bring in these as well. And let me open up a new folder and just click on the desktop icon if you just want to open up Finder real quick here. And then again, hit the Go button, Alt, Library, Application Support, Logic, and Channel Strip, Settings, Instruments, Performance. Here's all your backed up files that you just got back from 2019. Here's all my new ones here that I have saved in 2020. I'm going to go ahead and plop all these in here so that they are with all the other performances. I'm going to go back to performance channels, and you'll see everything that I did in 2020, including the all my older files. So anyway, again, if you like your channel strip settings that you actually come down and save as performance, and it saves in this performance file, and you again actually lose all of this information, that's how you can restore all your performance files using your time machine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, thumbs up if you liked it. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. You have a nice day.